It's a crazy seller's market, so let me ask you this question. Does that mean that we as agents should just sell your house right away using mediocre, outdated marketing techniques? No, no, no. It can cost you thousands if you make that mistake. So you're thinking about selling your home. Well, you've got to see this. Hi everyone, my name is Travis Poland. I'm with the Acre Group at Berkshire Hathaway. I want to talk about a few essential errors that I see most sellers making that result in much lower margins, profit margins, and don't allow them to maximize the amount of money that they're selling their home for. I know, it can be extremely stressful. You don't know who to talk to, you don't know who to listen to, who to trust. Well, after assisting hundreds of Littleton residents just like you, I totally get it. So let me be your guide. The most critical element when selling your home is to ensure that it's getting maximum exposure. We need to make sure that we are exposing your home through digital marketing to the masses, not just the few. Most likely, you're actually watching this video through detailed target marketing app, where I'm actually pixeling you and making sure that I'm exposing it to you and that you are seeing it. Think about the last time you Googled something, and then all of a sudden, that thing was everywhere you went online. That thing kept following you and showing up all over your feed. Well, it's sort of what we do when buyers exhibit certain behaviors. You see, if you take Facebook, for example, Facebook's algorithm can match their behavior to other people who have bought in the past, then tag them in an audience that may want to buy, and then bammo, I can follow them all over the internet and put homes that I am selling in front of them. It's ingenious actually, and pretty scary if you think about it. I guess that you can call me a certified stalker, but not the creepy kind, but the kind that gets massive exposure for your home when you're selling. It's all done through detailed digital marketing strategies that have taken so much time and effort and energy to learn and navigate and specialize in. And yes, it is extremely important even in this strong seller's market that we are seeing today. I mean, ask yourself this question. If by potentially taking an offer too soon or not exposing your home to every single buyer possible could end up costing you $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, wouldn't it make sense to make sure that you're exposing it to everyone? Yes, of course it would. That would be the difference of your kid's college or paying off a lingering credit card. So we both agree, exposure is everything. We're actually averaging about 50,000 views and hundreds of hours of watch time on every single video that we produce of our listings. Now that's a lot of views, and just imagine how many open houses that I would have to do to get that kind of exposure. Not to mention with everything that we have going on, you don't want unqualified people walking in through your home and touching little Johnny's toys. And here's the crazy thing. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will actually walk through a home that they see online. So imagine the power of having hundreds of watch time from buyers who are potentially buying and getting thousands of views. It's powerful, isn't it? So exposure is everything. There's so much more to consider when selling, and yes, even in the seller's market. You still want to do anything and everything you can to maximize your investment. So look out for other videos in this series where I dive a little bit deeper into my marketing and what's essential to think about when selling your home. Travis Poland here. Please reach out to us at the Acre Group so that we can guide you through the sale. From the time that the sign goes into your front lawn to where we are exposing your home online to the thousands of people, and all the way until we hand over the keys to the new buyer and place you into your new dream home. We're here to help you, and I am really looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, just remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. We'll see you on the next one.